I've got my header panel out. I put a base coat of white primer on it to make sure everything sticks with it real good. I went and painted it with a rattle can of matching paint, which is close enough. So it's been drying for a day or two now, and I got the fender on. So I'm gonna reassemble this header panel with all the stuff I got. Now I lucked out because I got this header panel, new grill, headlight buckets, all the hardware for it. I basically got all that at a really good deal, and I paid 40 bucks for it off of Facebook. So I lucked out on that one. You know, otherwise I'd be looking for used, or I'd have to be spending a bunch of money like that guy did on buying it new. So let me go ahead and get this all assembled and ready to go, and then we'll just pop it right on and screw it down.